Hey you guys, so I'm going to show you today how I did my fill on myself and how I got these really pretty nails. So what I first start off doing is I put some protein bond on my nails, and the protein bond I am using is by Young Nails. And I do put 2 coats of the protein bond so that way I don't have any lifting on the nails. And right here, I'm going to be putting a form on my pinky because when I took off my gel polish before I started my fill, I realized I didn't like how my pinky was looking. So I took the whole nail off, and instead of gluing on a tip, I wanted to go ahead and try a form out. I haven't really worked with them, so I was like, hey, why not just try one finger? So what I'm doing here is I'm just cutting the sides of the form to make it fit my nail. And you want to make sure you do get the form nice and snug underneath your actual real nail, so that way when you lay down the acrylic or whatever product you're using, it's not going to just go underneath your actual real nail. And when I start off by putting my bead, I do put it in the middle so that way I can get it the shape that I want and the length that I want. And you want to put a thin layer on your natural nail when you start it off. And I ended up taking off the form at this point because I had a thick enough acrylic layover, so that way I can just continue to build the nail without having that form on, because it can get a little uncomfortable. So at this point I'm just adding more acrylic where I think it needs to go, and I'm just gonna be pretty much building on until I get what I want and how I like it. So right here I'm going to be starting to look over my pinky nail, make sure that there's no acrylic on the side, make sure it's the same length as my other pinky, and it was just a little bit shorter. So I'm going to take a small bead, add it to the tip of the nail, and then just start feathering it out to make the length that I want. After that, I just continue on with my fill. Okay, so right here I'm going to start off by building back up my apex, because obviously with the grow out your apex does move down, and I'm going to just be making sure that I get it to the desired look that I want. Sorry, that's my daughter. And after I'm done fixing my apex, I just clean up my cuticle area, make sure that there's no acrylic touching my cuticle or my sides, and then I can just continue on doing my fill. And also too, one thing I want to say is that when you are applying acrylic, you need to make sure that you're looking at all your sides and angles of your nail, because if you just are applying it obviously in one side or one certain spot, the acrylic's going to dry and harden in that spot, and then that's just going to be more work for you to be having to drill, having to file more, and you don't want to work that much when you could just easily make sure you're just looking at your nail in every angle. Okay, so now I'm going to be going in with my 100 to 180 grit nail filer, and what I like to do before I start off filing is I like to take another file to the sides of the one I'll be using, just because sometimes brand new nail filers can be very sharp and they can cut the sides of your fingers, so you don't want that to happen or hurt you or someone that you're doing nails on. So I'm just going to go and pretty much file my nails to the shape that I want, and obviously it's just a fill, so there's not going to be that much filing to do. Okay, now I'm going to be going in with my brand new e-file that I got off of Amazon, and it's by the brand Makartt. I did a lot of research on this e-file before I had ordered it, and honestly I saw nothing but good reviews on it, and for the price, which is $59.99 I believe. I'll leave a link down below of the Amazon link that I got it from, but I'm pretty sure it was $59.99. And this drill works so much better than my old drill. It's really smooth and easy, and I just highly recommend it. I'm also looking into wanting to get the dust collector by this brand Makartt. I saw it on a girl's page that I follow. Her nail page name is GetNail32. She has this file and also the dust collector, and she's the one who really sold me on it. So yeah, so hopefully I'll be getting that dust collector real soon, just so that way when I'm filing there's not all this dust going everywhere.
What we do here is go back.
Alrighty, now I'm just going to be going in with my buffing sponge just to buff out any harsh lines that the e-file may have made. And once I'm done with this, I'm just going to be cleaning off my nails, and then I am going to start painting and designing them. So stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to be using my O.P.I nail polish. That is a gel, and it's called Kiss Me. It's a very vibrant pink color that I think is very good for spring right now. And I'm just making sure to clean up my cuticle area and my edges. One thing though I do not like doing about nails is painting nails. I am good at painting nails, but I don't know why I love doing everything else but painting them. To me, I think it's just the fact that if you touch the nail, it's all messed up and you have to start over again. But other than that, I love doing everything else. So now I'm going to be adding some rhinestones to my nails, and I'm going to be using this glue by the brand Ladybug. It's my local nail supply store's own product. The company and the store name is called SoCal Nails. It's here in Anaheim, and I absolutely love their products. They're very good, very high-end products, and the glue itself is very amazing because within 2 weeks I have no missing rhinestones whenever I use it, and I use it on my girls that I do nails for, and they never come back with any missing rhinestones. So this glue, a major thumbs up, and I'll leave a link to their website below as well too. So okay, I'm about done putting all the rhinestones on one finger, and I'm going to be finishing up putting some little other rhinestones on the rest of my nails. Nothing too crazy like my ring finger. I was just feeling really bold and have all the bling on one nail. But yeah, so stay tuned to see the end result. Okay, and so here are my finished nails. Very cute, very simple. And if you stuck with me this far, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please hit the like button and please subscribe. I will be uploading videos hopefully every 2 weeks. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.